One of the hottest trends this spring is wearing oversized shirts. Now, I recently thrifted a couple and decided to give them a little bit of a makeover. So I thought I'd share with you exactly what I did and how I turned some simple shirts into something a little bit more fab. Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very simple DIY on a couple of thrifted shirts, and I thought that I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Please let me know if you like these videos. And I created this video because I was in the process of putting together a bigger video on thrifting in New Zealand because you guys asked for it. So if you would like to see more of these kind of DIY fashion style videos, then just let me know in the comments below. But let me show you now how I turned some simple shirts into something with a little bit more edge. So first up, I needed to go to one of my local thrift stores. This is one that I go to, and I do find that it's got quite a few gems. So I went straight to the menswear section, which was pretty small, but to be fair, there were some really good options here. I was looking for something that was oversized, so I needed to choose something that was extra large. This one I really liked, and it was only $10, so I grabbed it. Oh, and at this point I probably should show you what I was inspired by. So these oversized shirts I mentioned in a recent video are really trending for spring, and I personally love the look. I think they can be styled in lots of different ways, and they're just sort of relaxed but also a nice tailored look as well. But the real inspiration for this video came from these Balenciaga shirts, and I just love the fact that the logo gave them a little bit more of a designer, or if you like, sort of feminine edge. So I've got one of these Cricut Makers, and I haven't had it for long, so I am still getting used to getting my head around using it, but it is super simple. So I decided to create I didn't even really know what I wanted to do. I wanted to create some sort of logo. I found this one on the Cricut design space. Be you, do you, for you. I thought that was quite a cool little motto. And I only had this silver vinyl iron-on, so essentially it's like a vinyl that you can iron onto fabric. So this is the first time I'd actually tried a fabric project, and yep, it turned out, in my opinion, really good. So this is just the Cricut Maker doing its thing, and it just cuts out the vinyl, as you can see here. It is really easy. And then the next process is just, I think they call it weeding, where you actually just pick out the little pieces of vinyl that you don't want ironed onto your fabric. And this is what you're left with, and the next step is really just ironing it onto your piece of fabric. And in my case, it's this thrifted shirt. And I know everyone doesn't own a Cricut Maker at home, but I did just want to share this process with you. And let me know in the comments below if you like these sorts of videos, because I do have some ideas for some similar thrift flip type fashion videos. I've actually washed this shirt a couple of times since filming this video, and the vinyl is holding up really well. So I'm really happy. I got quite excited about this, so I headed back to the thrift store and picked up this Calvin Klein beautiful 100% Egyptian cotton shirt for only $10. And I also bought that checked one too, but I haven't done anything with it yet. But I really wanted to buy some white vinyl and try something that was a little more similar to the Balenciaga. And I didn't know what to write, but decided fearless would be quite a nice word to have on the back of this shirt. I think it's my way of approaching 2021, given that last year was such a crazy year. This is how it turned out, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, it's the height of summer here, which is why I'm wearing shorts, but I love this one. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The YouTube algorithm loves it when you guys give it a thumbs up, and so do I. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.